Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I'm performing bunch of services on this 2013 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive with roughly 167,000 miles. And I started the day and work on it with the rear brake job. Here you can see the detail on the driver's side. I already replaced the shoes, brake shoes, and lubricated all the sliding area and everything. It's coming together really nice. And I want to share with you something really important what's happening around us right now. Here is the other side which I just opened. Hopefully you will see how thin the shoe is here. It's like 1 millimeter only. That's the reason why we are replacing it. It might be original, still OEM brake shoes. It depends how people drive. It could have been replaced once. I didn't clean it yet with brake cleaner. I'm just showing you the difference. But it might be actually original at 167,000 miles. And what I want to share is that amazement of mine today when I was getting the parts. These brake shoes I normally use from O'Reilly. I have a very good experience with them and they were always very good priced. But the times are changing and prices are growing. I remember when I came here in this shop, it will be 4 years pretty soon. I was using those. It's a pretty good product once again. I never had the comeback. I never had them broken. The material of the pads is pretty good. So as I say, good stuff so far. I'm happy with it. But I remember the prices were different. I will say it was like $39, $40 for these rear brake shoes, and that was the reason I was using them. Basically, when I got a quote from Toyota dealer, it was like $110. So it's becoming pretty obvious that the COVID is very successful in destroying our lives and lowering our level of the living, I will say. We had it good going and now we have shortages of parts. We have prices coming up. Obviously we see it, everybody sees that. But I was just thinking, I remember roughly that somewhere $40, $39, $42, $41. And today I got it delivered and with a tax. It's almost $60. So even this industry is changing. Everything is coming up, unfortunately. And it will be interesting to see what will happen in like a year. So I wanted to share this with you. Everybody's aware of the raising prices of the food, gasoline and so on. But also these items are coming up. And maybe some of you don't work on your vehicles and you might go to the service car repair place and they will quote you a little bit higher price for the brake job and they will say, yeah, the price of the parts went up. I can confirm it's true. They're not making it up. It's really, I see the difference in those 4 years when I'm tinkering here, filming the videos for you and fixing some people's cars. There is really a huge change. I will say on this part it's like 25% up, so that's pretty substantial. Want to share that with you. Please be subscribed. I have already today coming the apprentice you met in the past, Isaac. He actually got his first car at age 16. He's super pumped because it's Toyota. And we will be filming him, his excitement, and I think he wants to do engine oil change as his first thing and learning process. So be subscribed, this will be coming very soon to you after this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.